Hey guys, I want to introduce you to the Knit Below Cowl. I absolutely love this deeply textured stitch that I used in the Knit Below shawl, and I really wanted to figure out how to do it in the round. So as you can see here, the first part is very easy. You knit one below. So you're going to go into the stitch below the one that is next on your left hand needle. And you can see there the knit below, knit one, and you complete a round doing that. And you just got to keep track of what you're doing, and you can always look in the back of your stitch to see which ones have an extra loop. Now the next part is a little bit different than traditional like knitting flat, is because you're going to do a purl row. And I know it's crazy to think that this cowl has purl rows in it because it doesn't look like it, but that's where the magic is. And so you're going to be purling, and you pick up that extra loop that was created on the previous row, and then you purl it together with your stitch. So there's always going to be this extra long loop that's behind your stitch, and you pick it up and you purl with it, and you get this amazing texture, especially with this super bulky yarn. It is absolutely squishy, three-dimensional, so warm and cozy. You will absolutely love it. You can download a digital version of this pattern on my website, on Etsy, Ravelry, wherever you love to buy your knitting patterns, and it will give you all the instructions that you need and explanations and everything. And I hope that you guys give it a try and tag me in your photos and show me what you create.